Hello, folks. So as you know, or if you've been watching, I've been flying all my indoor helicopters recently. Well, this time I went to fly my Blade Scout CX, but the servo was only moving in one direction. It's interesting to note there's only one servo on this helicopter. Pretty cool. So I decided to see if I could fix it. You know, you're going to need the tiniest of screwdrivers, tinier than the 147 Phillips screwdrivers that come with everything. There are 3 screws that hold the servo to the circuit board and 2 screws that hold the circuit board to the heli. That said, I took it apart and this is what I did to see if I could get it to work. Well, the servos are pretty interesting. The potentiometer is just a strip of metal on the circuit board beside a strip of resistance material on the other side. It also has little strips of brushes that are on the opposite side of the servo. Well, I used an eraser to clean both the strips and the brushes. Yay! I got 4.5 cyclic again. With one servo. Amazing. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. And if this helped you, maybe you could pass it on and give me a like. And also, stay tuned because my next video has nothing to do with aircraft and is going to blow your mind. So stay tuned and God bless.